Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online. Properly categorizing your transactions is essential for keeping accurate financial records and understanding where your money is actually going in your business. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll find the navigation options for your account. Click on Transactions, and from there, select Bank Transactions. This is where QuickBooks pulls in all the activity from your connected bank accounts, making it easy to review and categorize everything in one place. Now look for the For Review tab at the top of the screen and click on it. This tab displays all the transactions that have been downloaded from your bank but haven't been categorized yet. You'll see a list showing the description, pay date, and amount for each transaction. Take a moment to review these details carefully, as they'll help you assign the correct category to each entry. For transactions that already have a suggested category, you'll notice a drop-down menu under Category or Match. QuickBooks often suggests categories based on your previous entries, but it's important to verify these are correct. Click the drop-down to either confirm the suggested category or change it to something more appropriate. You'll see a list of accounts including income, expense, asset, and other account types. Select the one that best matches the nature of the transaction. If you don't find a suitable category in the existing list, click Add New in the category drop-down. This allows you to create a custom category that better fits your specific business needs, ensuring your records are as accurate and detailed as possible. In some cases, you might notice that a transaction you're reviewing already exists in QuickBooks. When this happens, you'll see a match option. Click Match to link the downloaded transaction with the existing entry. This prevents duplicates from cluttering your financial records and keeps everything clean and organized. Once you've selected the appropriate category for a transaction, click Add or Confirm to finalize the categorization. The transaction will then move out of the For Review tab and into your categorized records, where it will be reflected in your financial reports and statements. By following these steps consistently, you'll maintain accurate bookkeeping and have a clear picture of your business finances at all times. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.